In this video, I'm going to teach you about surface area of similar solids. So if we have a problem like this that says the figures below are similar, what is the surface area of the smaller triangular prism? So we have this triangular prism and this one, and they're similar. It tells us that. And the surface area for this one is 36 centimeters squared. And we're trying to find the surface area of this one with the information given, okay? So let's go through this step by step. Since the prisms are similar, all linear dimensions scale by the same factor, okay? So height, the height of the larger prism is 4 centimeters. Okay, we could see that. And then the height of the smaller prism is 2 centimeters. So the linear scale factor, K, is 2 over 4. Okay, we just put 2 over 4, which equals 1/2. So now, for similar solids, the surface area scales by the square of the linear factor. Okay, so we just need to square this and we can find the factor that we can use to figure out the answer. So this area scale factor equals k squared. So we know k is equal to 1/2, so we just square that. So it equals 1/4, right? 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4. So now k squared is going to equal s2 over s1, okay? Because it says here that all linear dimensions will scale by the same factor. So the surface area scales by the square of the linear factor. So we have the square of the linear factor, and it is s2 over s1. We know we put s2 on top because we used the smaller measurement on top here and the height of the bigger prism down in the denominator. So you have to keep the ratios consistent, okay? So now we can put in what we know. We know that k squared is 1/4, and we know that s1 equals to 36 centimeters squared. So now we could just solve for s2. S2 equals 36 times 1/4. We multiply both sides by 36 to get S2 by itself. So we know that S2 equals 9 centimeters squared. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Anyone can do this. You could just rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.